What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So like the title says, man, it's been about 7 months, bro, since I drove my car, man. Haven't taken it out. It's been crazy. It's been a crazy 7 months. You guys have seen so far, I've installed pretty much all the parts, suspension parts that I purchased way back. So this is like the first real drive since I've installed all the parts. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy. The tires need to be broken in. Springs still needs to settle in. So this is just like a get back into the car, enjoy it, see what it feels like with all these new upgrades. Just enjoy the sound of the car, man. Just enjoy it. All right, I'm gonna do a quick. It's not a cold start because I pulled out the car to drive it. I mean, out the garage anyway, so it's not a cold start. was just a quick drive. Car feels good. I know it sounds amazing. So I'm gonna end this video right here, man. Make sure you guys show your boy some love, man. Hit the bell notification. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. You feel me? Hit the like button. Show your boy some love, man. I want this YouTube thing to grow. I know I haven't put up videos in a while, but you know, personal life come before YouTube. All right, so I didn't give up on it. Just please make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. All right, see you in the next video, man. Peace.